We live. We back. Give it time for a couple folks to come in, you know what I'm talking about? Yo, back at it with you. Let's do it. What up, fam? How much today, dog? How much today what, fam? How much on the what? I'm getting smoked, fam. But what it do? Dang, fam, how you getting smoked? How you getting smoked? Talk to me. You probably getting smoked. I don't see no star by your name. You ain't in VIP. That's one mistake that I already see. Hey, what up with it, fam? What's good, B? What up with it, fam? Boss, I got a gym for you. What's the gym, fam? I'm listening. Uh, like it up, guys. 30 people hopped in the first 60 seconds. 4 likes. It ain't adding. It ain't the math not making sense. I appreciate the like, guys. In the comment, what's up, boss? Skyrocket. Negative 75%. Negative 75% on what, fam? Haha. Wanted to ask if I wanted to ask, I remember you mentioned you will post updates around 9 a.m. and 2 p.m.-ish. I wanted to ask, is that specific time you were mentioning that? Please let me know. Eastern time zone, bro. I don't even know what time zone I'm in, but I believe it's the Eastern. I'm over here near what? South Carolina and stuff. South Carolina and, Atlanta, Georgia. Wherever they time zone is. I don't know what it is. Like what central? I don't know. Like some stuff you in life, I don't even think about learning it. It's like whoever would have thought somebody would ask me what time zone I'm in. So why would I ever even try to learn that? I know y'all probably be like, dang, this dude, hey, it's a lot of stuff that some people will call you slow for not knowing. But it's like that's why I'm so good at what I'm good at. Cause I put all my time and energy in learning something that's gonna benefit me. Damn, knowing what time zone I'm in, I don't think it's gonna too much pay no bills in there. But it's gonna help out with this, I guess. But that's what I'm in, guys. Eastern. So I'm in Eastern time zone. Y'all taught me something. I had looked that junk up the other day, actually. And it's that how I knew just now, kind of. But I ain't know all the way because I don't really remember what I had seen, which I thought it was Eastern. But, yeah, we all slow in some departments, guys. But Hayes, he put his out on Front Street. I let all my junk be known. You get what I'm saying? So that way, that's a hack. That way, if I show you all my flaws, give you all the bullshit, don't take life so serious, it's like y'all ain't being held to the same standard as a not no offense with color now, but as a white guy, white people like they more clean, like they coming up there to make sure they don't say no cuss word, everything perfect. They got to make sure the camera right. They got to make sure they be in a room with all the background. They got to make sure the editing is right. They got to make sure they making life so difficult. In my own opinion, but I mean that's probably it. Also helps you grow though. If I did all that, maybe I'd be 10 times ahead of where I am in life. But I'd rather be where I'm at in life and have life so simplified and so easy to where I don't care about the 10 nicks that I could have been. I'ma still get there. But I'd rather go slow. I'd rather take the risk of not getting there as quick as I could have got there by having my life simplified to where I'm not having people hold me up to a certain standard that I don't want to have to fulfill every single day. And them some big ass shoes to fill. I'd rather, take me as a joke. Not take me as a joke, but or yeah, I guess take me as a joke or look underestimate me. That's what it is. I'd rather be underestimated than overestimated. Make it make sense. I'm giving you guys free gains to life. Right there. Like, don't think everything need to be about stocks and money. That's free gain to life right there. You'd rather be underestimated than overestimated. Cause that way I could always go up. But being overestimated, like you already like it's too much, it's too hard, it's too much work. That don't make sense. I could not sell Carvana use all my day trades. Should I switch to a cash account on Robinhood? Yes, you should definitely switch to a cash account if you keep getting stuck and can't sell at a specific level. What's a good account balance to take advantage of all the B, all the plays be? A good account balance to take advantage of all the plays. A good account balance to take advantage of every play is $1,000. $1,000 is going to put you in any play because it's going to cost about $500, $600, $700 sometimes for a Tesla contract just for one. So $1,000 will put you in the game. Cause if you make 10K in 1 week, I could pay you 1K per week. But I understand if you don't want to mess people up by showing how much you're putting in the buy alert screenshot. Cause if you make in 1 week, I could pay you 1K per week. I understand. What are you saying, fam? You saying if I make you 10K a week, you'll give me 1K? Is that what you're saying? Run that by me correctly. Run that by me again. Cause you might be talking business. You might be talking business, fam. Thank you. I'm at work on that. Lost about 1,100 this week, fam. Trying to keep my head up. Part of the game. Have a great weekend, y'all. Matthew Norris. I don't understand how you lost 1,100 this week, fam. You in VIP. You guys need to hit anybody that feel like they still kind of lost or shabby or shaky on rocks. Hit me up for a consultation, a 15-minute phone call. 15-minute, 30-minute phone call will change your life with B. Hayes. Guaranteed. Not saying it's going to change your life like that, but that little 15 minutes information, everybody that done did it, everybody that done called me for 15 minutes literally said, wow, I got to call back and get another 15 minutes because you just changed the game for me. Like, and that's why the price went up on the 15 minutes. I'm not even going to state what the price is now. I'd say the price to whoever hit me up. When you hit me up, you'll know the price. But I'm going to tell you what the price was. The price was $25 for 15 minutes. And that $25 could literally change, like, flip it for you. But then I realized, I said, shit. I called Honda with my little Lolo. I said, hey, man, I need y'all to check my car out and tell me what's wrong with it or whatnot. How much is, like, can y'all do that? We're going to put it on the machine, and we're going to charge you $165, Mr. Hayes, just to tell you what's wrong with your car. And then once we tell you what's wrong with it, you got to pay another $500, $1,000, or whatever it is to fix it. So once I realized these people at Honda, a piece of shit, I don't give a damn about that car. I work from home. I don't need a car. I can go. I got my food here. I can order something. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. I got my other truck, too. I got my truck. But I realized if people can pay them $165 to know what's wrong with some bullshit, like your car is bullshit. Like, it gets you to work and stuff, but it ain't making you no money. It's losing you money. It's a cash cow unless you renting it out and stuff. So if you can pay $165 just for them to tell you about problems, about more problems, because when you paying that $165, it's them telling you a problem that's occurring in your life, which is that car. And if you can pay $165 for that, how much can you pay for some information for 15? You get what I'm trying to say? Make it make sense. Like, can't keep selling yourself short, man. And then the thing is, I always give over value. That's why I say everybody that's here now, y'all lucky. Everybody lucky and stuff. Because this ain't going to be going on in the future. I am not going to overvalue, like give overvalue. Like, basically people that call and they answer their questions, I give them more than what they even call for. Like, flip the whole conversation. Like, you getting more than what you asking, what you call for. You getting stuff that you ain't even know you needed to know. And you like, and literally, and like, what's the gift? Like, that's a gift. Thank you, God, for that gift. How can you able to give somebody that much value in a 12-minute phone call? Because the guy that called this morning for 15 minutes, we was done talking in 11 minutes, but we just dragged it out just to get his, value. Some people call and be done in 60 seconds with what they want to know, just that quick. Like, I'm like, nah, let's keep talking. Get your money worth. Like, I already got my money worth. Like, it's crazy. So it's like, that's all I'm saying. The people that I don't see how, especially my people in VIP, I know you're already in VIP and you like this, but it's like, that's not me. That's not my fault that I'm already giving the plays out. If you don't know how to follow the play correctly, now you got to get Hayes' other service. You got to get a phone call, a consolation, which ain't nothing but 15, 30 minutes to change your whole ball game. Talking directly to someone and them telling you exactly, where you going wrong at and what's up with it. Like, you got to invest in yourself. But the thing is, I'm not a person out here just trying to give me money, 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 because I done put in the work. And then it's like I tell people and telling you guys right now, you can go and search and look for all this information for free. I talk about it on live right now for free. You can ask me a question and I answer it to the best of my ability. But to get everything you need in a nutshell, simplest form, right there at the drop of a dime, that's gonna cost you. But it's free. Go look at Warrior Trader or all these people. I don't do free promotion on my channel because nobody don't free promote me. I don't see nobody shouting Hayes out. I've been putting in grind, putting in the work. So I ain't doing no free promotion. Y'all know who these people are. go out there and find them. And I ain't gonna be like that. They out there. They ain't gonna be like that. I'm not gonna be like that because you stop your blessing like that. Warrior Traders, who shot some people out? What's their name? I can't even really think of their names though. I'm trying to do it now. I'm trying to shout them out because you don't want to be like that. Regardless they shot me out or not, I don't care. Like they ain't gonna block my blessings. Warrior Trader, I think that's his name. The lady, what's the dude? Zip Trader, Ken and Grace, Larry Jones, yeah, name them out. Stock Mo. Shout out to these guys, man. Yeah, but like I say though, this information out there free. People drop the videos and stuff. The videos is out there. You got it, but it's scrambled. It's scrambled up. It took me 7 years to garnish all this stuff and put it together. And you think I supposed to just, you know, 7 years of work? Just brute. So yeah, that's yeah, it's out there though, guys. And my thing is, I don't try to tell people, oh, just come to me, this and third. No, go look for it for free first. And if you can't find it for free, then come holler at me. Cause you like, man, I look for it too much scrambling, too much rambling. Let me go straight to Hayes, man. I'm gonna get the sauce like that. You get what I'm saying? Snap of a finger. That's my take on it though, guys. But shout out to the guys, shout out to this, shout out to that. Do what y'all do. Y'all already know. B Hayes, you think the spot drops next week? I don't know, fam. Honestly, don't know. The overall market, I already had called the drop today. So it already happened today. So going to next week, I don't really fight on I wait the next week to come. And Monday, I let Monday play out, and then I know what's going on. Like, I don't try to, my brain power, I don't try to think too far ahead, and these people, ain't no till I just wait. You know, I had a successful week, great week this week. Let me show you guys. My Robinhood account, I start that account over every year with just $1,000. $1,000, $2,000 I put in this account just to grow a small account into over six-figure account by the end of this year. Just to show people it don't take much to make crazy amounts of money. And as I prove this and do this, that's when VIP and access to these plays is gonna go up, guys. Cause it's the value of this, like, the math ain't making sense. Like, far as, you know, every play I call out in the future, 90% of them is going to be guaranteed to make people money. And like, you put the value on that. Like, what's the price? What's the value on that? You that confident in what you've learned that you know 90% of what you call out and what you touch is going to make people money, buttloads of money, depending on their level and what they put in, right? So anyways, if we go ahead and take a look at this, I started this account over, and another key, I'm gonna give y'all a free gem. Free gems. Y'all got to catch these free gems now. These gems getting rarer and rarer. I think that's the word. As you make money, you take money. Not just when you make money in the stock. Oh, I'm up 5,000 in Tesla. I'm gonna sell it, and now my account up 5,000. Yeah, your account up 5,000, but the more money that you see in your account, that's the more aggressive you may be on that next play, and that'll put you right back from where you started at. And instead, this the gym made 5,000 on Tesla, but as I show y'all my account, what I'm up in the past week, and what I'm up in the day, and what I'm up in the month, I let this money settle, and I'm gonna pull half of this out. I probably pull 6,000, 7,000 out and then start back over with 4. And do this a couple times, and then I finally let this account get over 25K. And as it's over 25K, I just do what I do in this account. But at the beginning, I just run it up, pull that out, and run it up, pull it out, run it up, pull it out, and then don't pull it out no more because I already pulled out a lot, and now I can let it go over 25K. Unlimited day trading that account, like the in the past week, we up 7,000. I was just showing. Oh, dude, it was on mute. We up 1,500 today, and we up 7,000 in the past week. And this account, it should be up like more. It should say more than this overall. But the weeks I already made bread, I pull out money along the way because that's a part of my strategy and whatnot. Just pulling out, paying myself, doing that a lot, multiple times, and then letting the account actually just stack up, get over 25K with that account, and then continuously to be able to get in and out of plays consecutively. I believe that's the word, consecutively. I don't know if that's the word or not, shit. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? So yeah, you get what I'm saying. You hit mute. Whoa, muted. You on mute. YouTube done muted my boy. How do you are you still on the BBY play? Yes, indeed. Like, come on now. I alerted that. Why wouldn't I be, fam? I'm like, y'all think I'm hiding something? When I buy, I alert VIP. When I sell, I alert VIP. No up, down, left, right, ifs, up. You know what I'm talking about? I'm letting you know. Like, here my BBY right here. Show you my BBY position. I'm up. BBY position. That just did that today, like 200 dropping, but I was down right before the end of the day. That jump shot up, which didn't come as a surprise at all. It's steady trying to hold it down. Like, come on, let it go ahead and run back to 250 or whatnot, whatever the case may be. My cousins keep calling me. I don't know what's the problem. What's the problem? Let me see what's going on real quick. What up with it, Tish? Everything all right? What's on? Okay. I will. Okay. You're welcome. Late. Okay. Everything good. Put my heart. Yeah. Calling me that much made me think something wrong. Dang. I respect that you shouting out others. Real jump, fam. Like, yeah, you already know. I don't mind shouting them guys. I don't mind shouting nobody out, cause hey, the Hayes gonna be the best to ever do it. He the underdog. I seen these other people, they was taking out. They took out. I started near like around the masked investor. I'm gonna shout out some more people. The masked investor. What's the other dude name? Clay bro. He got over 100K. Uh, mass investor like 70K. Some other people that started near me, like they had 150K. Trades at 400K. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm the underdog for real. But I believe personally, I'm the best. And they ain't even at their level yet. Like, these guys are already millionaires and all this, that, and third. I'm not even there yet. But I honestly believe like I'm the best. I'm the best. And it ain't fulfilled itself yet. But it's going. It's going. And I'm gonna keep this live. Yeah, cause I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, I'm pull it out. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pull it out. I'm pull it out later on. We'll see it later on, guys. But and the reason why I say that, I ain't just say I'm the best like that. But I do believe I got this thing so simplified that these other guys is ain't just like They not doing it off their phones. They not dropping videos just straight out the bat. They not like, like they too like it's too clean. Like I don't know. I just feel like I feel like I don't know what I feel like. I just feel like I could possibly be the best though with the simplified outlook of this because I'm so close to the people. I'm so close to the masses. These guys are millionaires already. So they so far away. Like some of my audience, they up. Like some of my audience got more bread than me. Possibly, but I mean, I'm coming to be on that Elon. I'm about to go crazy. But yeah, so it's like whenever you watching, but my audience don't got the type of bread that Meet Kevin has though. I don't believe. Me personally, I don't think too many of you guys got like making like $1 million plus a month. I don't think too many of you guys making that, right? Or probably none of us. So this guy making 12 million, 20 million, 30 million dollars, at least 12 million, 15 million dollars a year, easily. So with them making that type of money, the way they articulate and the way they put out information is on a level that they're currently on. So the guys got $1 million a month. He's speaking to other people that making this kind of money. And without him even knowing, he's speaking in the terminology of people that have this type of money. He got people that's following him that's at the bottom. They can't even interpret and understand what you're giving them because you so far gone. You so far ahead. But somebody like me come in that's not having millions of dollars yet, more so connected to the people at that level. I'm able to connect way more and way better and simplify in terms to where we all can understand it. Y'all can interpret it on a whole different level because like he just can't Meet Kevin. These guys, it was a long, they don't remember this level. They don't remember this level right here that I'm on, or the poor level, or not having nothing. They don't remember that level. They so far gone from it. So it's like it's hard for them to say it and break things down to where people can understand it on the level that they own. Like you on a different level, brother. So, and that's probably the same thing gonna happen. I ain't gonna say it's gonna happen. It probably ain't gonna happen to me because it's just the way who I am. Like it's how I'm always explain stuff the way I explain it and talk on this level, even after having millions of dollars. Like that's just the way it's gonna be. And I feel like that's what's gonna separate me. That's the only reason I say I'm gonna be the best. And I hate even you can't say I ain't saying that out of ego. I'm saying it out of confidence, like just, to give me confidence to make, everybody like, don't take it the wrong way when I say that. Like if I was playing basketball and I was saying I was the best, I don't believe people would take it how they would take it if I just said it the way I said it there. You get what I'm saying? Like that's all I'm saying. Like just like LeBron, he gonna be I'm trying to be the best. I'm gonna be the best. I ain't gonna say trying. I'm gonna be the best. Be the best to ever do it. This shit, things about to get so crazy. I had seen an article. I had seen an article, right? I want you guys to look this up, or I can show you guys real quick. But this guy, it came back from the future. He turned $400 or $800 into $350 million in 2 weeks. And this is true. I believed it. Like, I definitely believe this. I'm so far ahead, like with the universe, with life, with a lot of different stuff that people is not knowing about. But I actually believe people could time travel, and like basically what he said, they had ended up investigating this dude. Look it up. They ended up investigating this dude, turning $800, $400, a small amount of money, into $350 million in 2 weeks. He was going to he told them like, hey, I'm from the future, like, and had told like he started like telling them things that they know he shouldn't knew, to where it mind boggled them. Like they believed it probably. They had to believe it because he knew too much, and he was saying that he was going to actually not make it look so fake. Like he wasn't gonna make it look so crazy, like so obvious. He was going to, lose a little bit, win a little bit, lose a little bit, win a little bit, but overall win. So it won't look too obvious. But he was like, man, it was so easy. He got so damn confident. He got so not confident because he already knew what was happening. It was so easy and just like, man, why not, man? I'm about to just make this money. He was like just making bread, 350 million, 2 weeks. And I was like, dang, this dude came time traveling back from the future. But I actually feel like, I don't feel like I'm that like time traveling now, but I feel like I'm feeling that energy. Like, dang, I really ain't gonna, yeah. The market can get tricky sometimes, but 9 times out of 10, I'm getting better and better and better and better. Man, that market ain't got It ain't too much it can do without me knowing before it do it. And it's like you gonna have a little mistakes here and there, but overall, things about to get crazy. Cause if you make 7,000 a week in the market, you can make 70,000. And at that point, that's all you need to make. You don't need to try. You can go to the 700K level in a week, but that's just like you just greedy. Like 70 bands, even at 7K in a week. Like thank you God. Like I ain't got to. Yeah, I ain't got to. Yeah. Some people small, big. Some people, but to me, the way I live, my life, that take care of my bills for the next 3 months. You get what I'm saying? Shit, I ain't got to lift a finger for the next 3 months. So it's all about perspective, right? Somebody else that made $7,000 that's living way above their means with all this crazy shit, that only going to take care of them for a day or two. They'll run through 7 grand in a day or two with fancy food, the car payments, and the big house and all that shit. I'm going to have that, but obviously once I get that, I'm gonna be making more like 70,000 in a day. 50,000 in a day, 30,000 in a day before you know what I'm trying to say? But at this level, I'm just telling you guys perspective. 7 bands in a week, hell, that lasts me 3 months. But you got so many other days to make so much more money. You get what I'm saying? So it's all about perspective, man. Somebody making 50,000 a year could be up, like making like good. Like if you only spending 25 and saving 25, in 4 years you already up 100 bands. And now the snowball effect happen quicker with the more money you got. If you already up 100 bands, you're like, dang, it take 4 years to get it. Yeah, but once you got that 100K, you can get to another 100K way faster. It's going to take a year now. And then after you get 200K, it's going to take 6 months to get the next 100K. And then after you get that one, it's only going to take 3 months. Then after you get that one, it's going to take 1 month. 1 month to get 100K. And then after 1 month, you know what it's going to take? 1 week. Now you're getting 100K a week. And after 1 week, you're going to start seeing 100K in a day. And that's the way it is. And then you can break it all the way down. Come on, I'm not done. After 100K in a day, then you're getting 100K in 1 hour. 1 hour. Sound crazy, but yes, 1 hour. And I know it's possible. I know it's going to happen. Made $10,000 on AMC in 1 hour. 1 hour. $10,000 on AMC play on options in 1 hour when it went from 5 to 7 to 8 or whatnot, whatever it did. That same play, 10x, would have been 100 bands in 1 hour. So it's like it's not going to happen probably every day or nothing, but those opportunities is going to come where you can make $100,000 cold turkey stinking cash in 1 hour. And it's going to be unbelievable. You're going to be able to do so many wonderful things for your family, for your friends, for your little women and junk that you got. Some of you men out there, like, you know, you got your little women and junk that you want to look out for. Was it Alien? What's good, fam? Have a good weekend, B. What's your link for VIP? VIP, just click join, bro. You got to go to the home page and click join. The way you do that is get on a computer and click join on the home page, the easiest way. If you don't have a computer, do it on your phone by going to Google and typing in YouTube desktop version. And then going to it and blase, whoop, whoop. You know what I mean? Clay sounds like a radio voice, 97.5. That's funny, fam. My cuz put me on to you. Hey, that's real, fam. Shout out to your cuz. That's love. Hayes, you make it a lot easier than other YouTubers. I appreciate that, fam. Much love. I follow you on the gram as well. I lost 3/4 of my stats since COVID. Dang, fam. We're about to go crazy. Where's the link? Bro, you my top 3. I agree. Damn, B, I almost got my Robinhood set up. Once I'm good, I'm gonna join VIP. That's a bet, fam. I'm late. What's up, fam? How do you determine when to make puts or calls? What chart set up? How to determine when to make puts or calls? What chart set up? To determine whether you go long or short is going to be off the overall market sentiment, the news, and all that good stuff. So obviously, to go short on Tesla, it came with I like bump the news. Some shit, some things I'm like bump the news. Like I kind of care about the news, but it's like I already like it was overbought. I already knew it was time for a sell off, and it like literally happened. Of course, like other things that goes into play, but with the overall cause and puts, you can usually tell by the news and sentiment of the market and psychology. Put it all together and know what's going on. We know the Feds is still want to raise interest rates aggressively to help tame inflation. So with that is already one piece of news, and then with the market actually showing signs of getting weak, those little drops, those little fake bullish runs just to come back down, like them, all those is adding up to, get your puts ready. And in the charts, like knowing once it break a key level, a key support level, that it could basically, plummet to the next level. What do you think Carvana on next week? What do you think about Carvana next week? I think Carvana, it could possibly, I don't know, fam. I just let it come to me. But I had alert today and got out, and we got out, and I hedged against it or whatnot. So I ain't really tripping about it. But it could come down to 650. Worst case scenario. Well, not worst case scenario, because we know what worst case scenario is. But I believe in this short, depending on what the market do. Like I said, it all depends. It all depends. Like I just go with the flow, because you don't never know what these boys gonna come out. What's gonna happen over the weekend? What these boys gonna come out, put more fear into the market, if they want to close this gap or not. Like I'm prepared for a major crash, the Bitcoin down to $10,000 type crash. Like the market gonna collapse too. So it all depends if that is about to happen. So I hate to just say, I hate to really even say opinion on the stock for it until I just let it come. I just let it come, because it's like, yeah, I don't get too wrapped up in. That's when you got them. That's when you got them on lock. When you're not too wrapped up in, oh, what it's gonna do next week, this and the third. Like I just let it happen, and then I react. I let it happen and I react to whatever happens. So that's the key. It's key to the game. I let it happen and I react to whatever happens. So it's like I can give an opinion on what I possibly think gonna happen, but if you take that opinion and run with it and lose money, it's like, nah, that ain't it. Cause you might as well just wait for just wait, wait for the for the reaction. If that makes sense, it makes sense to me. Make it make sense. Pain ain't over. Patient is number one. $1 million days ahead of us for sure. Real jump, fam. Real jump. B is a human AI. That's funny, fam. You think Tesla go back to 150, 159? That's a good deal buy. If it get to 150, 159, you might well wait for 144. So 144 is a good deal buy. 166 is a good deal buy. If 166 is broken, it's going down to 144. Real free game. It's 100% going to happen. 100% confident in what I just said. If 166 is held, it's going to shoot and skyrocket right back to 200. Not in one day. Let's not be naive here, but that's where it's going to go. 166 broken, Tesla's going to shock a lot of more people. People be all over the Reddit and stuff, like, what's going on, man? This is crazy. This is manipulated. This is rigged. I'm like, nah, this is just what's supposed to happen. Like, make it make sense. The market is rigged now, don't get me wrong, but 9 times out of 10, the stuff that I call out and see, it's already supposed to happen because I said it was going to happen. And then you have other people looking at it in another way, like, oh, man, this is rigged. This is crazy. I'm like, man, this shit ain't crazy. This is what the fuck supposed to happen. You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to quit cussing, too. Let me quit cussing. Slip. Oh. Fam, please hit that like. Hit that like button, fam. You only need a small number of tickers. That's right. You only need, since this year started, I only been making money on Carvana, Tesla, Lyft, Upstart, something like that, maybe. What? You get what I'm saying? Well, mainly what it's been, Carvana, Tesla, Lyft, Amazon, a little bit of Snap. Not really, a little something maybe, but like 5 tickers, like four or 5 tickers. That's all I'm being down checking out, looking at. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, but I got about 20 of them on my watch list though. 20, 25. Cause sometimes I'm watching them 5, I be still peeping out the other ones, like in case something happen that checks off my I don't know, just checks off my conscience or my just checks off something. I don't know what it checks off, but something happened. And I damn, you get what I'm saying? And it pops up on my radar. And yeah. Sometimes I don't even know how I know some of this stuff. And explaining it out to people. Like one time as I was teaching somebody, I'm like, dang, I ain't even know I knew that. But as I taught it and it said it to you, like now I can't really explain what I'm trying to say, but I think you guys get it. By teaching and explaining shit, it makes you realize some shit like, damn, like, I ain't even know what I knew. I ain't even know what I knew. That whatever, if that makes sense. Nigga ain't even know what he knew. Do you look for volume too, or does it matter? Yes, volume always matter, fam. Always, 100%. That's the first thing that matter. That's the first thing that matter. Damn near the only thing that matter. Nah, not the only thing that matter. Just letting you know how powerful the volume is. Yeah, heck yeah. Need that. Especially trying to get them bands. You ain't even gonna be able to get liquidated if you ain't got no volume. Trying to get them bands out. It's going down, JP Morgan. Fam, please. You only need a small checkers. How serious would you take an OnlyFans model if she approaches you? An OnlyFans model if she approaches me, I wouldn't take her serious at all, fam. I wouldn't then take no woman serious that sell they naked photos for $20 on the internet. If you sell your naked photos for $20 on the internet, by the time hanging around me and being exposed to millionaires, people with millions and billions of dollars, I'm pretty sure you will have sex with one of them for like a band or two or 10,000. So I definitely wouldn't take them serious at all. I feel like they'll do anything for money. If they'll do that, they'll do anything. They basically like drug dealers, like somebody selling dope. If you do that, you'll do anything. And I mean, I was in that state one time in my life, so I ain't talking as like they bad people, this, that, and third. People can definitely change, but I don't want no woman that changed from that to that. And some women don't want no man that changed from the streets to that. And I get it. I understand. I just won't be for that woman, and that woman just won't be for me. You get what I'm saying? But that is just like the dudes, women stripping and doing OnlyFans is just like a dude in the street selling drugs. Like the risk and the reward. The risk for the dude, both of them very, very fast money, quick money, but the risk is the woman ain't gonna really find no dude that take her serious. And the dude, he just risking his freedom and also quality women. Cause men in the streets, that hood attire, you attract piece of shit women. Like no real classy woman wants to be around that. So we both of those fields is getting you BS partners. You get what I'm saying? So like, heck yeah. Good call on Tesla today. By the way, save me. That's right, fam. See? Hey, see? Hey, this stuff coming like water now. Like, I already knew Tesla should come down to 166. Somebody was like, dang, Hayes, you should have sold. You should have held. You should have held. I'm like, no, I shouldn't have held. I'm like, I'm comfortable. I'm happy with what I made. And I know where it's gonna go down to. Like they were speaking as if, I didn't know. I already called it out. I already know exactly where Tesla gonna go. So if I sell at 169 and I know Tesla going to 166, that don't mean I'm not confident in what I said or anything like that. That means Hayes is not greedy. Hayes up 4-5 racks. He don't care about being up 7 racks. He'll take the 5. Because even though he up 5, it could possibly vanish away and be down 0 or just a stack. So even though you know it should do this, it's still not 100% certain that it's going to do it today. It's going to do it, but it ain't no 100% certain it's going to do it today. So do you want these bands today or do you want to wait? And that's the same thing. So Tesla ended up coming down to 168. Didn't make it to 166. And for that guy that commented that, if he didn't sell when I sold, he ended up losing all his profits. When it shot back to 174. Just like that. And that's real, like, that's a great story that probably resonate. That's going to help somebody. I'm glad I shared that story because that's real. We already knew what we're coming down to. And he probably seen it too. Like, yo, he's coming down here, ain't gonna sell yet, trying to be greedy, trying to get everything. I done learned my lesson. Sometimes it ain't a correct science. Sometimes you gotta get in a little late, sell a little early, do this a little, tweak a little this, tweak a little that. You gotta, yeah, you gotta tweak your way around. And yeah, do it very strategically though. Don't just be tweaking around all, without no strategy, without no rhythm, without no movement. You gotta, yeah. And everything on definitely fall into place. Uh, better to give Hayes that 20 than to an OnlyFans girl. LOL. Hey, ain't it though, fam? They tripping. Them dudes out they got about 4, 5, 6 subscriptions, man. Paying about 20, 25 a month to watch them girls, man. They got dang on they got free sites. Twitter got nasty stuff all day long and porn, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even want to talk about this junk on my live or whatnot. I don't even want to talk about this junk. Hey, cause I'm a changed man. I don't want to talk about sexual activities or none of that. I mean, I will, like whenever I'm making a video by myself. Like, cause I'm gonna create content. I'm gonna be doing like, podcasting and shit. I'm gonna be inviting people on the channel. People with upcoming businesses, like, different creatives throughout the world that the world don't know about yet. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna have celebrities and stuff one day, but I really don't give a damn about celebrities. Like, people that everybody already know about, like, they water down, in my opinion. Like, you already know them. I'd rather bring people to the platform that you never heard of that's killing shit. This dude named Johnny Doe that's down making down $100 million a month, and you ain't never heard of Johnny Doe. Like, god damn, what Hayes find this guy at? Like, yeah, y'all worried about Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion when Johnny Doe selling donuts and making $100 million. Like, that's the type of brain, that's the type of shit I'm trying to bring to the channel. So on the week, all through the week, it's gonna be straight stocks, money, options, thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars being made, millions of dollars all through the week. On the weekend, sit back, wine, a little blunt, a little podcast with somebody with crazy education, crazy information. We always learning something new. That's all the channel is going to be about. Value, uplifting people, motivation, personal development, exercise, anything like eating healthy, anything that could, every aspect of life that's going to actually help you be the best possible version of yourself that you could actually be. Be like a fucking character out here. Like, building your own character to however you want to design them. You get what I'm saying? And that's what I'm on. I'm literally designing myself, building my own character. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you want to do all that. I'm getting my damn, by like next 6 months, like my top teeth, like very straight, perfect. My bottom row is kind of crooked, but that's going to be straight, perfect. You point out your flaws and you let other people know, and that's one of my flaws. It's like my only damn flaw. And damn, yeah, and like getting that top notch, skin top notch, hair stay done, swag on top tier, little jewelry, little character, morals, cause all that outside stuff, yeah, that's cool and all, but it's really, it's deep. Like all this stuff, you got to be A1 with all this shit. The outside, the inside matter first. The character, the morals, the being good to people, positive energy, just all that stuff matter. Then working out, eating healthy, clear skin, pretty teeth, smelling good, hygiene, drinking water, straight water. Like I've been stopped drinking soda since I was like 14 years old. I went on a fast at 14 and I gave up sodas for a month. After a month not drinking them, I could quit for the rest of my life. And I never drank a soda. Of course, what it's called, ginger ale. If I'm having a little cold or sick or something, I drink a ginger ale. I don't think y'all are counting that against me, right? And or whatnot. But anyways, and if I'm drinking alcohol, I probably chase. I don't chase it no more with soda because I'm like, man, I don't drink soda. I ain't even trying to do it with that. Like, but I now do juice, like or something more, or water. I chase with water because I don't do soda. So no more soda and shit. Straight. And then I just do juice and water. But going into 2023, I told myself, I just want to drink straight water. Like restaurants, I already drink straight water. Like I can order a drink, obviously, but Before, when I was on my come up, I would do it because I like water, but I also didn't want to pay $4 for that drink. And I could drink water when it's free, like, and use that $4 to go towards half of my appetizer for $8. Sound crazy, sound cheap, sound, but Hayes was on the come up. Even with having 100 bands on me, I would think like that. I'm just different. I don't know if it's different. Other people think like that though. I'm not different. I am different, but other people think like that. You're not special for the way you think. Other people think like that. But I have 100 G's on me and think like that. Like, I'm drinking water. I use that $4 that I was about to pay for that drink, put that on half of an appetizer or half of my meal down there already. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just like, just. But anyways, drinking full straight water. I'm trying to get into that. Working out, eating healthy, straight vegetables, fruit, fish, stuff like that. Uh, you know what I'm saying? Just yeah. Just trying to be all around, guys. Learning every day, reading like dang on, what, 5 books a month, a book a week type junk. Cause I don't watch movies, don't watch TV, don't watch football, don't watch basketball, don't do none of that. So it's like, it's great. Work, family, working on yourself, family, chat a little bit, this and that, third. But it's really just, yeah, getting all the way to that. This something, I ain't gonna say other people was on this type junk. But whenever you get into that mindset though, that shift and doing everything that I just not spoke about, like you on a whole, you so far distant from the real world, from the world, man, it's crazy. Like it's crazy. You be faking the funk. You literally have to fake the funk around people. And I'm not a fake person though, so I let it be known. Like, I'm not even happy for real chilling around some people. Like, my energy is too far gone. I'm on a whole nother level. Like, I can't fake the funk. Like, I gotta go. Like, type shit. So like, I used to fake the funk though, but now I don't. I just speak my mind. Like, I don't say it in a bad, negative way because I'm a positive person, but I let it be known, like, y'all cool. Like, I don't talk down on nobody. I feel like everybody, is who they are and gonna be who they are. So it's like, I respect the people that don't wanna make life so challenging and have to work to have the world, and they just want the easy life to just work and chill and stuff. Like, I ain't gonna say I respect them, but I mean, I respect them in a way to, like, that's you. Like, that's what you want. You content with that. But it's like, don't hang around me, somebody that, or don't feel no type of way when somebody like me that want the world, that's aiming to have all this stuff, don't want to really hang around. You know what I mean? You ain't gonna, yeah, it's gonna be different. But have you noticed a lot of people that didn't bother effing with you back in the day, trying to get in where they fit in now? Yes, that's definitely a big one, fam. Definitely. People they'll try to creep their way back in though. With me, and I don't know. I feel like people do that with people they know they can easily manipulate. People that they know is pushovers. People know, everybody in my life, everybody in my past know that I'm not a pusher. Like he's a total opposite of a pushover. Like, it ain't no way. It's hard for him to sneak in. It's hard for him to come up with a strategy to even get back in though, if that makes sense. Cause it's like, like, he too smart. I'm too smart. I ain't gonna say I'm too smart like that because I ain't that smart. There's a lot of shit I don't know. But as far as like life, I think I really understand life. I understand life. I understand the universe. I understand money. I understand people. I understand relationships. I understand psychology. I understand the future. I understand all this stuff. So it's like, how can you you can't get one up on a person like that. It's hard for you to try and sneak back in. You know what I mean? Like, he see it. He see all through the bush. He don't got no type of lids on his eyes. Like, he see everything. Like, I see it all. So it'd be hard for somebody to do that. You understand to say understand, not understand. I'm the same way, bro. Real jump, fam. I'm trying to get in VIP. You say hop on desktop. Yup, hop on the desktop, bro, and go to my home page and click join. Welcome, Norman. Welcome to the VIP, fam. Hit me up on Instagram. I send you the rules over. Proud of the progress. Keep it up. Big Capo Slime. That's love, fam. That's love. That's my boy from the beach. Y'all go over this, support his page. A couple y'all go follow the page, just show some support. just to show the power of dang on a platform. Like you can just turn somebody up quick. Like right now it ain't that much of a fit, but I'm pretty sure a couple of y'all might go over there and follow him. Go over there and follow him. But the bigger you are though, the more power you got. Like you definitely could turn somebody up at the drop of a dime. Like certain people that garnish like 550,000 views on live, I just say go follow such and such, and that person already got 10,000, 20,000 followers just that quick. Like once one person up, he can grab and pull anybody up. That's crazy. That's the crazy part. You can pull up anybody once you up, but they gotta want to go up though. Don't try to pull up nobody and force them up. They gotta want to go up. I do what I can do. I always show my love, but if you don't take it and utilize it, it ain't nothing else you could do with it. But that's my guy though. I run down at the beach and stuff. I definitely had a ball down at the beach. Yeah, doing my thing. I ain't even gonna talk about that. I ain't even gonna talk about that, man. That's my past. You be in your bag for real, for real. When we gonna roll up one haze? Whenever, fam. I'm thinking about throwing a celebration. Once VIP get like 10,000 members, I'm gonna throw a party in Atlanta or Miami or wherever the majority of the people at. And I'm gonna throw a party or whatnot, everything on me, do giveaways, free food and stuff, chance to dang on meet, just link up, talk. I ain't gonna be able to talk to everybody probably. Or I will be able to talk to everybody. I'll be able to do the announcement junk, like talk. But yeah, talk to people. Just do some little junk like that. Feel like that's gonna be dope. Do a little junk like that. But yeah. Hayes, I done made you a shirt. I'm gonna send you your Instagram right now. That's a bet, fam. Appreciate that. That's love. If you in Miami, I'm there on me. That's a bet, fam. When we gonna roll up one? What's up, B? You understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to get Tropicana. A lot of those have aluminum in them. Just got in there, gang. What's up? Talk to me, B. Hayes. What the world? What's wrong, fam? What you talking about? Yo, what up with it, Thugger? What is? Talking about talk to you. Have you noticed Broken Knobs is the name of the podcast? If I need to get you on my podcast for real, Broken. That's a bet, fam. But dang on, yeah. Well, we could talk about it. Hit me up on Instagram. Let me know. Let me know what you're offering. B Hayes a businessman now, fam. Like, well, I been a businessman. I ain't gonna just be popping up on podcasts. I need to dang on I'm gonna either be compensated for being on a podcast, or or the podcast is huge, obviously, and it's like benefit both ways. That's what people got to understand, though. Like people is not just going on podcasts for free. It's beneficial to both parties in some type of way. It can't be one sided. Of course, I give my charity work. I'm giving charity work now. Answer whatever questions, I talk to people on Instagram for free sometimes because, it costs. They ain't going to talk to me for 15 minutes, 30 minutes on the phone. But I still do charity work. People inbox me. I answer questions and, help them out the best way I can. Like, for nothing. Like, just because I do that. But with the podcast game, like, the people with the platforms, they offering the person that's coming a new audience. So they're not saying it like, they ain't wanting nothing in return. And the people that's coming to the podcast, they already got an audience. They already famous. They like Lil Bootsy or somebody. They already got a big audience. So I'm gonna bring you new audience and you giving me a new audience. Like it's like, a win for win. And if one of the other persons don't have something to offer like that, somebody have to pay bread to have the other person on their platform. Like, that's just the way it is. Just to let you guys know. I don't know if you guys wondering how the game go with that or however. That's how it go. Either it's a scratch back for scratch back or it's a give for take. One of the persons giving up something for the other to show up. But it's value in it, though, definitely. Like Charleston White, paying him $2,000, $3,000 to get on a podcast. And the video garnish over 1 million views. 1 million views going to equate to about $10,000 or more, especially with the hour-long video. That's going to be like probably 15 racks. Plus, that's just the video. That's just for the video. That ain't including if a product was mentioned in that video or some type of sponsorship. That's another 15. They're going to need another 15 for that. And most of the time, it'd be a couple sponsorships in the video. So that one video garnished like 30 bands, like 20 on the low end, 20, and you only paid like 10% of that to get the person on. You get what I'm saying? Obviously, once they know the numbers and know what they making you, his numbers probably higher now though. Cause like it's just that's what it is. Like people, I don't know how people look at it. Oh yeah, nah, that's just what it is. That man know what he's worth. Gotta pay the price now. That was what he was first starting. Like I thought about doing that. That was quick, easy, 15,000. I like shit. Let me get charging like 3 bands to come on the BH show real quick, easy. But it's like it ain't in line in what I got going on right now. You know what I'm trying to say? It'd have been just forcefully doing something, just rushing to do stuff. I'm all about divine timing. Like everything is on the time. It's on everything need to be in alignment with each other. You don't need to force stuff. You don't need to force no relationship. You don't need to force money coming your way. You don't need to force nothing. You just need to be in alignment with it and be preparing yourself and sitting in traffic to get wet. You get what I'm saying? Waiting for the rain to come to get wet. You want to get wet, like how trying to use an analogy for it, so you can understand what I'm saying. But right though, I could have easily did that, easy money, easy bag. But like I say, it didn't it didn't align with what I got going on right now. But that's what I'm looking to do though. That's what I'm going to do. I'm definitely going to do like podcasting on the weekend. Like it is going to be me dropping a podcast with myself, talking an hour long about life gems and stuff, stuff that's gonna help people, or bringing somebody of that the world don't know about, that's killing it, that's making millions of dollars, or they ain't even got to be making millions of dollars. It's impressive to me, somebody that the world don't know about that's making $10,000 a month doing a side hustle. You get what I'm saying? It doesn't always have to be millionaires, guys. So we can learn from anybody. You can learn from somebody doing better than you. You can also learn from someone that's doing not better than you. However you want to word it, right? Fort Worth, Charleston White from my city, Dallas. That's dope, fam. We gonna chop it up. You're worth your price. That's love, fam. No free rides. Do you decide to buy calls or puts based on the previous close and the opening price, like if it gaps up or down? Do you decide to buy calls or puts based on the previous close and the opening price? No, I don't, fam. I decide to buy it off of price action. Price action alone, like the overall trend, the news, the market sentiment, things of that nature. Not just because it closed at this is no. It's more so of like what's in front of me and what the charts is looking like at those levels of what it's currently sitting at. My question kind of long. If you in Miami, Hayes, I'm done. You made sure you ain't bad, but I say woo. Hey, that's love right there. I don't think nobody ever been on live and had the same amount of likes that they do viewers. It's unheard of. Y'all goated. All y'all are goated. Y'all the goats. Cause that's crazy. I believe it's crazy. I don't know though. I don't know. But yeah, oh man, I ain't never seen nobody on live with more likes than they do viewers. Oh, y'all the goat. Y'all the goat for real now. Y'all the goat. That's crazy. Y'all, you think AMC gonna run up Monday? AMC, I don't know if it's gonna run up Monday, but next week is definitely should be about time with all that decline that's been happening. Is $5 a good level to buy AMC? Yes, I believe 5 is a good level, but it could possibly come down to $4.70, $4.40. It could come down and come all the way back down to those previous levels. But starting to buy in now at these levels is definitely a good starter, a definitely kickoff point. You know what I mean? BBY ran up 10% last hour. It definitely found I need to run up 100% next week. That's going to be another life-changing play. Life-changing plays to me is $5,000 and up. 5 bands in a day is definitely it ain't life changing far as like you get what I'm saying, but making that type of money in one day, like that's the life changing part. But if it took me all year to get a $5,000 tax check, that ain't. It's hard to say it's life changing because it took all year to get it. But hell, if I made $5,000 in a day, that's damn life changing in like in the perspective of that point. If that. And then if I can keep doing this, you keep doing this over, and that makes sense. I think it makes sense. Life changing to me, shit. Life changing to me. What I made this week, yeah, everything what I made this week, last week, is all life changing. And I thank you, God. I thank God, man. It don't get no better than this, guys. It don't get no realer than this. But everybody gonna be up though. Everybody gonna be up. I can hear it in the future. If you ain't following B Hayes show, I don't know what you doing, because every single body over there is making money. It ain't nobody being left behind. Everybody making money if they apply themselves. And you got a couple lazy ones in the back that don't want to put in no type of work at all. They just lazy, just don't want to, they just ain't, they don't want to use their head at all. They just want to use B Hayes' head. They don't want to use their own brain power for nothing. They're just using B Hayes' head. So them be the ones that don't make it. But the ones that use me as a little piece of little homework, and use their own brain power as well to make some decisions, those would be the ones. Those would be the ones that succeed and actually take this thing and turn it into a whole nother ball game for them. That's for real. Yeah, it's a start. Did you Tesla dip on Tesla dip on the open? Yo, I sold my Tesla this morning. You talking about AMC life-changing play? No, fam. I'm just saying it in specific, like in general, like just making dang on 5Gs and 10,000 in one day is like life-changing. Like the money overall ain't life-changing for that number. Of course, we know like you need more than that for life-changing, but to make that in a day and knowing that you can make that again the next day, or you might have to wait and make that next week. But to be able to make that type of figure at some point, multiple times throughout the year, is life-changing, is what I'm saying. That one time ain't life-changing, but you consecutively doing this over time is life-changing. Is life-changing. What's up, B? Made money on your Tesla, put change. You're talking about it's a bit. $20 tier for VIP, get all the alerts, or the $100 level gets the better alerts too. The $20 tier get all the alerts, fam. And the $100 level is just money giveaways. You can have my personal number. We could chop it up on the phone a few times. 5-minute, 10-minute phone calls, or what the case may be. Help you out a little bit further. And also an exclusive, I'll be, showing like on the charts exactly what caught my attention, what I had seen, and, showing you exactly the levels and all that good stuff. Like a little just extra. But you guys already know, I'm about to get off of here and go get something to eat. Go out, take myself out to eat. Do what I do. You already know I love y'all. We out. And God bless y'all. We gone. I need to turn on this right here before I get off.